Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment for a new passport on Welcome USPS. So this is helpful because booking your appointment ahead of time makes the whole process faster and more organized. So first, once you're on the USPS appointment page, you'll start at step 1, which is choosing a service. So click the drop down under service type and select new passport with photo services. So this option is used if you're applying for a new passport and also need to take your passport photo at the post office so that everything can be done in one visit. After that, choose how many adults and minors are applying, then move on. Next is step 2, where you search for a location. So make sure location is selected, then type in your city, state, or zip code. You can also adjust the search radius if needed. And if you want a place that offers passport photos, keep that option checked, then click the search button to continue. After that, you go to step 3, which is selecting a time. So pick a schedule that works best for you. Just keep in mind that appointments usually take around 15 minutes per person, so choose a time that you can commit to. Then in step 4, you'll need to verify your identity. Fill in your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. After that, choose how you want to receive your verification code, either by text message or email. And don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, click Send Verification Code and follow the next steps to confirm your appointment. And that is it. You've successfully scheduled your passport appointment online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.